Mr. Cooking at 3 again, and today I'm gonna paint an egg. Well, I know it's not around Easter. I mean, basically a gift. So that's what I'm doing today. This is my egg. Don't look at my desk. It's kind of messy. So that's my yellow egg. This will be the front, and I know that's there, but I'm gonna cover it up. And it'll be a duck. A duck. Literally, a duck. I painted it yellow because sometimes it can just take a long time to dry, and it'll just waste my time. And I haven't posted a video in a while. So sorry about that, yeah. Enjoy. Yeah, about painting that yellow, you can kind of see through the paint. So it's still wet, and I can't do more coats. I have to wait for the paint to dry now. I guess I have to have a fan to do its job. I have one down here because I did use it. So yeah. I'm finally done painting it. Now it's time to do all the stickers and feathers to it. It's still not done, but I need to add one more thing that'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. It's still not, the glue is still not dry though. I'll try to avoid touching it. It's dry. I need to do it again. If you don't know what I'm doing with the glue here, I am filling in the gaps with the glue, then pushing it in with the popsicle stick so there isn't a gap in between. So it stays more secure. That's what I'm doing with it. Wow. That took a long time to finish, but it's still not dry. But I gotta sew it a little bit longer and clean up. Finally done cleaning, and I relocated my egg, and the paint is still not dry, but I've been cleaning for a really long time, so I'll go check. If it is still wet, I'll wait. It's been like 25 minutes and it's still not dry. I'm gonna paint something else. Boy, I can't wait. Please be the dream of my life. Yes! It's dry. Now, I'm just gonna pick it up real quick. Kind of heavy, so I'm just gonna see this. This is it. I love it. I absolutely love it. What if I put eyebrows up here? Yes. Ta-da! That's good. And then it really worked on this one in the Sharpie. I'm looking at you. I see you. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. It was super cute. And I just love it. Don't you? Don't you, Mr. Look, the dice. Don't break. This is it. Can you see? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye!